Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek. Today we're going to be going over a few things that you might have missed out from last week. Today's video is going to be pretty short, so let's get into the video. If you guys aren't already aware, last week MobileSentrix released its update about pairing with Apple with the GAPP program. If you aren't aware of what that is, that's the Genuine Apple Parts program. I highly recommend that if you haven't already, to scroll through and learn about the GAPP program with or without core returns. And also go over the details as to why this program should be something that you should not only look into, but become part of. If you right now go to MobileSentrix.com, you will see this banner. If you click on it, you will see the Genuine Apple Parts program, or otherwise known as GAPP. And here you will be able to learn about GAPP with core returns, GAPP without core returns. And as you read through it, not only will you be able to understand the program a little bit better, but you will also see examples of what it means and why to choose GAPP, along with a bunch of frequently asked questions so that you can probably have some of the questions that you might have answered as you go and click and read through them. So definitely take time to do that. Also, we're excited to introduce the Incell LCDs for the iPhone 14 Pro and 15 Pro. These are IC transfer compatible. They're both 80 Hz refresh rate, and they both have an excellent price point, which allows you to offer that less expensive tier pricing to your customer, while still being able to deal with the notifications if you have the ability to do a little bit of solder work. I've made several videos showing how to do those. If you haven't already, check those out. And then last but not least, the iPhone 14 Pro Soft OLEDs. These are the AQ7s, which carry their own special warranty with us. At 120 Hz refresh rate, that are also IC transfer compatible with a really good price. So just so you guys are aware, these do come with the OLED breakage warranty. If you aren't aware of that, you can go ahead and pause the video and read this right here. Or you could just head on over to the website so you can learn more about it. Well, that wraps up today's video. If there's any questions that you have, leave them in the comments below. Or just browse through the website because I'm sure it's all answered there as well. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll be seeing you this week for some more videos. And for those of you that are celebrating this week, we hope that you enjoy the holidays. And we'll see you in the next video.